Hey there guys, and welcome to this new video. So in this video I'm going to talk about something that you have within you which is so potent and that can help you immensely to improve yourself in any area that you can think of right now. And if you already clicked on the title, you know it's insecurities. Yeah, you heard that right, insecurities. So today I'm going to tell you how you can use insecurities and why why insecurities aren't a bad thing, and why you feel insecure in certain things or certain areas, and how you can use that insecurity like a trigger to improve every area of your life and reach that level of success that you want to reach. So without further ado, let's dive in. So first, insecurities, let me read you a dictionary definition. Like here I have the definition of insecurities. Insecurity is uncertainty or anxiety about oneself, or a lack of confidence. And this can be further from the truth. Let's focus on the lack of confidence. Insecurity is a lack of confidence. And what a lack of confidence comes from or stems from. The origin and the main reason someone can have a lack of confidence in any area that you can think of right now, for example, fitness, studies, social skills, anything that you can think of right now, a lack of confidence in that area comes from one thing and one thing only, which is a lack of competence. Like for example, have you ever been to a fight or a boxing match or something, and you see a man or the boxer or the champion, like for example, when you watch a title match, for example, if you have watched one, if you didn't, I strongly advise you to do, because I want you to grasp this concept that I'm going to describe here. Go watch a title match of boxing, like someone, when the champion comes to defend his title, you will see the way he carries himself and the level of confidence he reaches, because naturally he's the champion. He knows what he is doing. So he has this immense confidence, this aura. You see him walking in and you know that this guy is the champion. Before, even if they didn't announce his name, the way he walks in, you will know that he is the champion. He's always calm, prepared, sometimes cocky depending on the personality, but you will sense that he is the champion. So this is why insecurities aren't a bad thing. So the next time you feel insecure, just know that this is your body screaming and telling you that, man, this area or the area you feel insecure about, your body is telling you that we should improve in this area. Like for example, me, when I was still younger, I used to have that skinny fat build. I didn't feel very secure about my physique. I felt very insecure in the beach, not very much, but I used to feel a bit insecure, like seeing the other guys who were a bit fit, or someone uh, who was born with the good genetics. I would see that they had like these broad shoulders and everything. But look where insecurity got me. Like right now I have this. Yeah, I'm happy, man. So next time you feel insecure, you should use that insecurity to your advantage. Don't suppress it, don't neglect it, don't try to get away from it. Face it and see why. Sit and listen to that insecurity and ask yourself, why do I feel insecure in this area? And when you find the response, which is most likely a lack of competence in that area, physique, socially, fitness wise, social wise, intellectually wise, any area, your lack of confidence or insecurity comes from your lack of competence. So next time you feel insecure, use that as a trigger to go crush that area, and you will feel, and you will look back and see how much or how far you've gone, from the point you started, and you will be so grateful that you used that insecurity and you didn't suppress it. Because honestly, most people live their whole lives suppressing that insecurity or running from it. Like for example, I feel insecure about my physique. What would most people do is the comfortable choice, which is wearing a lot of clothes or hiding behind their clothes. But you are different. You want to improve. So if you feel insecure about your physique, the only natural thing you will do is the hardest thing and the thing that will challenge you the most, and that is going to the gym, of course, improving your body, making those hard training sessions, eating those bad, boring meals. Yes, and cutting the junk food. Everything you should do should be inspired from your insecurities, but also choose the hardest choice. Don't go to the easy route. The easy route will guide you or will take you to the average. If you want to be average and you're okay with being average, then fine. Take the easy route. Stay with that physique you don't want, that job you don't want, that level of success you don't want. But if you want to actually improve and reach that level that you want, you should be ready to put to make those sacrifices and put those efforts and make the hard choice that most people are avoiding. Because honestly, because most people are not succeeding. So it's natural to think that most people are taking the easy route. So you should take the hard route. And let me tell you this before I close the video, the hard route doesn't always guarantee success, but at least it does have a percentage. You will be ready to grasp a opportunity of success, because success is like an opportunity. Sometimes in your life it would show up in front of you, but if you were not ready, you will not be ready to seize it. If you don't see success, then you've missed it. For example, if you don't put the work, success will show up. You will get an opportunity to to grasp that success that you want, but you will not be ready, so you would waste that opportunity. But if you put the effort in and that opportunity shows up, you will crush it, man. And I don't guarantee you that this opportunity will show up tomorrow or the next month or 2 years from now, 10 years from now, but it will show up eventually. So might as well be ready. And that's about it for today's video. Thank you for watching, guys. I think this was just a thought that came into my mind, and I wanted to share with you guys, because I got so much value out of this mindset shift that I had, which is using insecurities to your advantage and not being like everybody who runs and hides behind their insecurities and try to hide them. Like, embrace your insecurities. They are part of you, but improve upon them. And one day you will feel that these insecurities, you will look back and you will be grateful that you didn't run from your insecurities. And as always, stay hard.